Imagine owning a motorcycle born straight from the harshest desert racing on the planet. That's the 2027 KTM 450 Rally Replica. This isn't just a replica. It's essentially a civilian version of the machine used by KTM's factory team at the Dakar Rally. Produced in limited numbers each year and hand-assembled in Mattighofen, it has long been the top choice for privateer riders in rally raid competitions worldwide. The reason is simple. Its performance is proven in extreme conditions. The technology, setup, and components are directly derived from the Red Bull KTM factory rally team's racing experience. It's no surprise that many other manufacturers have started following KTM's lead in bringing rally bikes to consumers. For 2027, KTM introduces two special versions. Alongside the already exclusive standard model, estimated at around 104 units, there's an even rarer edition, the Luciano Benavides Factory Edition, created to celebrate Benavides' dramatic victory at Dakar 2026. This version is even more limited, just 8 units worldwide, featuring a signature Red Bull livery that makes it visually identical to the actual race bike. Technically, the bike is powered by a 450 cubic centimeters fuel-injected SOHC engine, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a Brembo hydraulic clutch specifically tuned for rally use. Its aggressive performance is enhanced by a lightweight Akrapovic titanium exhaust, delivering sharp and responsive power. The chassis is built using advanced manufacturing techniques, hydroformed, laser cut, and hand-welded for maximum strength. WP Pro suspension front and rear is ready to tackle any terrain, supported by a Brembo braking system, tapered handlebars, and high-precision CNC triple clamps. Uniquely, the bike is equipped with 3 fuel tanks with a total capacity of 34.5 liters, making it fully prepared for long-distance stages without compromise. A carbon navigation tower also supports a digital roadbook, an essential feature in modern rally racing. Meanwhile, the Benavides Factory Edition stands out with even more exclusivity, adding components like a carbon disc guard, a premium cell Dalla Valle seat, and a numbered special edition badge on the frame.